Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 16. Simplify 1 plus I over 1 minus I plus 2 plus I times negative 3 minus 5I minus 5 minus 2I. So we have series of operation for complex numbers. So by the way, yung I dito is the imaginary unit equivalent to square root of negative 1. So, isa-isay natin. So, simulan natin dito sa division. So, 1 plus I over 1 minus I. Kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng complex number, i-multiply natin both numerator and denominator by the conjugate ng denominator. So, ang conjugate ng 1 minus I is, copy nyo lang yung real part na 1 and then get the additive inverse or opposite sign nung imaginary part. So, since we have negative I here, opposite sign niya is positive I. Then, copy lang sa numerator yung 1 plus I. So, next, i-multiply na natin sa numerator, 1 plus I times 1 plus I. So, pwede nating i-foil. 1 times 1 is 1. And then, 1 times I is I. Then, I times 1 is I. Plus I times I squared. Over, sa denominator naman, kapag minultiply natin yung 1 minus I times 1 plus I, which is conjugate of each other, di ba? Magiging special product na lang siya yung difference of two squares. So, square mo lang yung real part na 1 square. Then, minus square no imaginary part na I squared. So, simplify natin, 1 plus I is 2I plus I squared. So, kapag in-square natin to both sides, from the definition of I, bale I squared is equal to, cancel mo na yung square root sa square, negative 1 na lang. Okay? So, therefore, yung I squared natin is negative 1 over 1 squared is 1 minus I squared ulit negative 1. So, magiging 1 plus negative 1, so 0, cancel mo na yung real part. Matitira na lang is yung 2i over 1 minus negative 1 or 1 plus 1, 2. So 2i over 2, cancel the 2i na lang. So I etong division, yung simplified form niya. And then para naman dito sa product, sige, i-foil lang natin to. So 2 times negative 3, negative 6. 2 times negative 5i, negative 10i. Then I times negative 3, negative 3i. Then I times negative 5i, negative 5i squared. So negative 6 minus 10i minus 3i, negative 13i. Negative 5i squared is, di ba, negative 1 yung I squared. So negative 6 minus 13i minus 5 times negative 1, positive 5 na siya. So, bali negative 6 plus 5, combine natin is negative 1 minus 13i. So, negative 1 minus 13i itong product. Yan. Itong minus 5 minus 2i, i-distribute lang natin yung negative niyan. So, sige, i-combine ko na. Bale, we have ito, yung I plus negative 1 okay, minus 13i and then minus, distribute yung negative, so negative 5, then negative of negative 2i, positive 2i. So minus 5 plus 2i. And then simplify, combine yung real and imaginary part. So sa real part, we have negative 1 minus 5, that's negative 6. Then for the imaginary part, we have I minus 13i plus 2i. So that's negative 10i. So therefore, the answer is negative 6 minus 10i. Yan. Pwede natin yung i-check sa Calcu actually. Yan. Punta lang tayo sa mode 2 complex and then input natin yung expression. So ito, yung fraction 1 plus I over 1 minus I plus 2 plus I times negative 3 minus 5I minus 5 minus 2I. Ayun. So, same sa answer natin, di ba? Negative 6 minus 10I.